Good morning. My name is Dinali Gomez, and I welcome you to this morning news program. I'll now share some of the most relevant stories starting the day. Let's begin. Today there was an increase in the price of basic products. The government promised to increase the minimum wage to support families. The country decided to import new medicine from Europe. This import aims to improve the healthcare system. Many citizens requested a refund for the damage caused by the storm. The mayor office promised to refund the money within the 10 days. Yesterday, there was a big contest in the Central Park. The organizers want to contest the criticisms by improving the event next year. The university presented a new innovation project. With this they want to project a more modern and inclusive image. Experts reported a decrease in air population levels in the city. This decreasing trend is due to the use of more sustainable transportation. Several stores are offering special discounts for Student Day. Many products were discounted up to 50%. And those are some of today's top stories to start your day well informed. Thank you for joining me.